Beep, beep, you're here. Oh, let me turn my tractor around. Be right back. Old Mickey had a farm, M-O-U-S-E. Welcome to my farm. Whoa, whoa, wow! Would you like a tour of my farm? Yay! This is my cow. Moo. How ya mooing? Wanna moo like a cow together? Moo! Cows make dairy products, like milk. And one of my favorites, cheese. Cheese. Hey! Hey! A lot of my farm animals eat hay. This is my horse Buttercup, my goat, and my Starfish. Whoa, that's a funny farm animal. I'd like to introduce you to one of my chickens. This is a rubber chicken. As I was saying, this is my chicken, Bagak, and her baby chicks. Do you want to help me feed the chicks? Bagak! These chickens are good singers. Watch this. Bagak! Aw, that made me feel like dancing. Say, how about we do a chicken dance? Flap your wings, strut, strut, strut. Shake, shake, shake your tail feather butt. Flap your wings, strut, strut, strut. Shake, shake, shake your tail feather butt. Now squawk! Bagak! Cuckoo! Till next time we can play, have a Mickey-riffic day. Old Mickey had a farm, M-O-U-S-E. Beep, beep, you're here. Oh, let me turn my tractor around.